This is all the food. Hi. So today is Ganesh Chaturthi and I'm already ready in my kurta. This is my favorite red kurta and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to make a vlog. So I will be going to a friend's house who's keeping Ganesha and we will celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with a bunch of friends. There will be a little puja. So for a simple everyday makeup, I just use these 4 products. The first one is my sunscreen, which is very important, and it is invisible sunscreen from the brand Minimalist. It has a very thick consistency. I've already put my moisturizer, sunscreen. Alright, once the sunscreen is absorbed, I take my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm in the shade NC45. Okay, and I take very little amount, like this much. I start and see it's a really good shade match. Like even without blending, it kind of blends in. It doesn't look like I have applied something on. And when I really blend it well, it disappears altogether. Yeah, blended, and it does not look like I have anything at all. The next step is this MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm in the shade NC44.5. So this is half a shade lighter than my liquid foundation, just to like add a little bit of glow. Pat it on my face like this. That's about it. Adding some color to the lips using this MAC lipstick. It's in the shade Retro. Dab a little and that's it. So yeah, this is how I'm looking. And now let's head to the event. And also, this is my complete look. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a red kurta with this red chunni. How do I look? Let me know. And I'm walking through my society and it's a windy day today. Very lovely weather here in Bangalore. So, yeah. Here we have arrived at Aditya's home. The house is fully decked up with flowers. Okay, there are flowers. Every door frame, every corner of the house is looking so colorful with these pop of colors. तुम लोग क्या बना रहे हो? खाना. Aditya is cooking. Look at these yummy pakoras. Can't wait to taste them. I mean, any Indian festival is incomplete without a lot of fried food. Yummy, yummy, yummy fried Indian food. Love it. Me and my friend Chanchal were given the task of decorating the puja spot and making the floral background for the Ganesha setup. We are both designers, so we were like easy peasy and we got started with the work. But it wasn't that easy. There were challenges. But I guess we did a good job. Or did we not? ठीक है.
हाँ, अब सही है.
So this is what we have put together with the help of Chanchal. Wait. So yeah, me and Chanchal have put together this background for our Ganesha. Cooking is in progress. Look at the things. क्या क्या बन रहा है कोई बताएगा?
मेन्यू होने के बाद सब एक बार रिकॉर्ड करें.
Okay. Fine. Outside we got started with these banana leaf arrangements. Yeah, I think they are like fine. ये तो पूरा बैलेंस भी हो गया. चलो. हाँ, इसको ना नीचे से पकड़ लेना नहीं तो गिरेगा. Oh, our setup is ready with the banana leaves on either sides and this and all these fruits hanging and the flower background. Inside, food preparations and gossip was in full form. Now Chanchal is tying the final thread, which will complete our setup. So our host Aditya, who's also the main pujari, is now setting up the puja spot. He is prepping up the spot with rice and then a piece of brand new cloth to kind of make the base, prepare the base for Ganesha to be established on. Out our Ganesha, the star of the show today. Yeah, जिसपे
Yes, nobody tells you.
yeah.
Yay, this is the moment when Ganesha ji is being
Aww.
established and मिट्टी की मूर्ति की जो सादगी है ना, आहा, the best.
Palavelli, which means it's a Telugu translation is Milky Way.
Okay.
So it's a personification of the Milky Way galaxy, and all the fruits that are hung on the top represents each of the solar system or the planets or stars. And the idol is a component of earth, so which is basically just mud.
Look at this vibrant, colorful selection of flowers that will be used in the puja. I am getting excited just by looking at these colorful beauties. Then we sat down and started the puja, and the Ganeshji looks so pretty, decorated with all the colorful flowers.
జంబూ ద్వీపమునందున్న భరతవర్షమునందు భరత పూజయామి అని చెప్పినప్పుడల్లా పుష్పములతో పూజయామి నడు ఓం ఓం హ్రస్వగ్రీవాయ నమః.
So the puja is over now, and time to take the aarti.
आओ, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पायल। एक बार बोल के बताओ, पायल। वाह। नाउ इसको ना बेटा वहाँ गणेश जी के पास डालना है, ओके? ऐसे। हाँ, इधर रख दो। आहा। This is all the food. Smells nice. So now the puja is done and the food is ready. So we will now have the yummy festival food. Anvi is still doing puja. Look at her. And yeah, everyone's like sitting down now to start the meal. The meal will be served on the banana leaves, which is a traditional way of serving food. हाँ बेटा stay away from fire, okay? हाँ अन्वी बेटा पूजा कर रही हो? अच्छा ठीक है, कर लो पूजा. Okay, खाना is being served. हो गई पूजा? नहीं? हाँ. फ्लावर ये भगवान को चढ़ा देंगे. हाँ, आंटी भी हाय बोल रही हैं. और भगवान को ऐसे जय 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 और अब चढ़ा दो फ्लावर. ऐसे पास में जाके. तन्वी तुम्हें पूजा करना अच्छा लगता है क्या? So Anvi is my nibbling, my niece. Isn't she a cutie? So these are all the items that we have in the food today. कोई बताएगा इसमें क्या क्या है? कोसंबरी. Okay.
This mirchi, curd mirchi, dal, rice, dadojam, now
This mango puliyogare.
Mango पुलियोगरे and ये
fruit.
wow. My God, this mangoda which my bestie has made, amazing.
ये हमेशा बनाते रहते
Regular square foot.
ज्यादातर बनाता है.
Delicious.
Any more pakoda? Anyone? Pakoda. जलेबी, ये सब चीजें तो बिल्कुल. All right, so this was the vlog. Our puja is over and everyone has eaten as well. So this is the end of the vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.